No, 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 no. I'm just here in my room, safe and sound. Hope no bad things happen. Just like, I hope so. Oh, hold on. No, 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 no. What? An emergency alert system again. What? Oh my god, this is an emergency alert system. This is the second time. Oh no, I live in that area. Oh.
The following message according to the World Health Organization. Coronavirus, also known as COVID-19, had reached the Bay Area from
Oh my.
As the Bay Area reported 2,000 cases, 50 deaths in the region. Stay indoors at the house. If you are sick, then take medicine. The streets will be closed. If you want to go outside, you can only do it for grocery or take an exercise on a walk. But remember, do not contact anyone who is infected. He had to be at least 10 feet away. If you're in the old age and you are sick, you must have to be in the hospital. Schools will be shut down until April 7th.
Oh no.
And businesses, restaurants as well. Take pressed precaution.
Oh no.
On the line, it's not open, it's only used for emergency only. That is it for now.
Oh no. I dropped my phone. Guys, there's another alert. I received on my phone. It's telling us that we have extended again. Oh my god. What should we do? Ha 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 ha. April Fool, guys. Ha, you think I had an alert? No, that's a fake alert. Do you think the emergency alert system went up? No, this is a fake one. I created by my own, which will be coming soon for my 250, 300 subscriber special. This is a fake COVID-19 alert. It's not real. But anyways, happy April Fool's Day. Anyways, bye guys.